Hi, I'm Annika Johnson from Al Johnson's in Sister Bay. I hope you enjoy my new video series called Door County Girl. These are stories of my life, the people and places that I love, and of course how we all survive here in northern Wisconsin. You can come back as often as you like, but don't forget to subscribe to Al's YouTube channel. I'll be posting lots of really cool new videos. So let's go. Welcome to another episode of Door County Girl. Today I'm here with my favorite pal, Kit Butz. Anyway, we're here today to talk about some products, but talk about products, check out my cool little peace mug that I got.
You better hide that because it's going to end up in Rolf's truck or it'll be...
I know, I have to go looking around for certain mugs like the Carroll House mug or Teskey's Berry Best mug. All my favorite, the Viking restaurant now, those mugs. I have them, but Rolf has like 10 cars and I have to go look around in all his cars to see if he's got my mugs.
I had a Torquay like thermal one and it had my name on it. Like I wrote it in Sharpie
took it.
and it was in Ralph's car.
I knew it.
That's what the first place I looked was.
Well, what do you think of this one? Where do you think I got this?
Kind Goods. Love that place.
I love Kind Goods. We should do a little story with him because I love him.
Yeah.
I love that store.
Yeah.
This is from Happy Coffee. It's used to be called Skipstone Coffee, but they changed their name to Happy Coffee, have new owners. And these are their handmade mugs from Mexico. And I thought they were so cute, I had to have one.
Yeah, another great place you should check out in Sister Bay. Happy Coffee's awesome.
Yeah, well, don't go running in there and just say, I'll take a mug without looking at the price though, people, because I kind of splurged on this. It's a handmade mug from Mexico.
And it's got a face on it.
And she goes, did you want to buy the mug? You know it's this much. And I'm like, yeah, I still want to buy the mug. And I did. And I like the mug. And I'll use it. But Rolf won't.
Can we talk about what you're wearing today? You are like super Scandinavian. Look at this. She's got
my
the Sami bracelet on.
Yeah, my Sami bracelet on. This is made by a Norwegian girl too, but they didn't sell good. I have a whole bag of them in my house. I can't even give them away. They're so cool.
I should put them online after this. We'll see.
But then I wear them all the time, and then everybody's going, "Where'd you get your bracelet?" I'm like,
yeah, it's a cool bracelet.
I know.
And then look at this.
Oh, my little sweater. I don't know. This is just something. I think it's called ox knit. Kind of funky.
It's really cool. No, I saw it this morning and I'm like, oh, Annika brought the Scandi wear game to Door County Girl.
I'm so stylish.
Well, today
I'm always like, am I dirty?
No, you're okay. Yeah, I know when you move boxes and stuff.
Yeah,
and
I get
the
full
front
of
the
junk
front of you is
all day. Yeah.
all set.
All right, so what are we doing?
So today we are talking about some of the new products, and we're in the process of adding a bunch of new products to Al Johnson's catalog. So these were the first two that came in just because we felt that they were products that we love first off, and then products that we use a lot. The first one being the lingonberry concentrate. I know everybody's seen us talk about it before, and you know, like we make our Stockholm coolers with it. You can get a lingonberry iced tea in at Al's.
You can
get a
pour
lingonberry
it on
lemonade.
Ice cream. You can make a milkshake. You can do all kinds of stuff.
So I'm gonna do it. We have sort of the traditional way here, which is like in Sweden they call it soft.
Soft.
And they have many different syrup flavors, and all you do is you add it with water.
Yep, and soft means soft in Swedish, and it's like a soft drink.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I bet you that's where that word came from.
Probably.
I would put money on it. Somebody went to Scandinavia and they're like, wow, this is awesome.
Yeah.
And then that's where soft drinks came. So we're just doing ours. We're not using any like sparkling water. We're just going to use our Al Johnson spring water here. And you want to do it? So this is the other thing I love about it is you can make it as sweet as you want it. You can make it just really light if you just want to have a little bit of lingonberry. If you want to have a lot of...
I just like a little bit. It's so warm out today that our ice melted, but so what?
It's all right. It's cold.
And then you know what? With this, you can like do it for taste. If you need a little more of this, you put a little more of this. If you need a little more of this, you put a little...
You can add a little bit more.
That's what
I am actually, so I'm in the process of getting, there's like this...
I can't spill on Kit's
tablecloth. You better not, yeah. This is the golden rule. We cannot spill today.
Because this is a gorgeous Eklund tablecloth that we sell in the boutique, which I'm all nervous about.
You just mix it up away
because
from
I
there.
actually spill a lot, believe it or not.
So just something simple and refreshing that you can do at home. If you want to use sparkling water, you can do that. If you just want to add it to almost any drink, you can add it to
Okay,
it.
that's perfect for me.
Here, let me try.
Okay,
See-
but Kit's
see
gonna
what
say
your-
it's too sweet. I just like it right in the middle.
No, that's perfect.
Yeah, it's perfect. So I didn't measure it, I just poured it in, but I never get too heavy because I can always add more. I don't have to be a glutton.
So
Right?
definitely. So pretty much the original use for this is what Annika's drinking right now. And then I got really creative today and I'm like, what crazy thing can I do with the syrup? So I made these sandwich cookies.
Ooh, I was just saying,
So
where'd
you can
those come
see
from?
these cute little pink frosting here. We'll put it at Bill. And all I did was take the Nyakker Oat Crisp cookies that we have,
Yep, they come in a little tub. They're oatmeal cookies.
and then I just made a cream cheese frosting, like a real simple one. Just softened some cream cheese, added some powdered sugar, and then I added some of the lingonberry concentrate, which also has a little sugar in it too. So like it's a great way to add a lot of flavor.
You should
and
put
then
some
I just
lingonberries in there.
I could do that too, but
Oh,
I was just trying to
yeah.
do something with the syrup this time. Just
Kit
to
and
do
I
that.
hate cookies.
Yeah, especially with coffee.
We're having fika right
Yeah,
now.
we were basically
doing
just
a little fika.
we just accidentally did fika.
Okay. Everybody doesn't like oatmeal cookies except me.
These are awesome. Yeah.
And when I say oatmeal cookies in Sweden, they're not the same as oatmeal cookies in America. They're not. They're like very lacy and thin and very fine little cookies. In America, they're hearty with raisins and it's almost like a little biscuit.
It's basically.
Yeah,
biscuit.
but
Probably,
these are awesome.
Yeah, no, these work really well.
I like it. Hey, maybe we should sell some like this
We
in
could.
little packets.
And it was
And call
probably
them-
one of the easiest things I've done.
I have already
so-
a name for it.
What is it?
Kit's Kit.
Kit's Kit.
Like a kit.
Oh,
Kit of
like a
cookies.
kit of ah,
Kit's
okay.
Kit of cookies. Kit's Kit.
Double. Yeah.
These are good.
These are awesome.
I love them. Good job, Kit.
So, just to let you know too, so we have lingonberry as the first flavor that came in. We'll have rhubarb, which is amazing.
Of this?
Of this, that's coming in the next shipment, our next container coming from
love
Sweden.
rhubarb.
Rhubarb, I love. You do not see. I've never seen another like rhubarb syrup like this. It's going to be awesome just as a drink like that. It'll be great in a cocktail.
It's sweet too?
Yeah, just like so. It'll be rhubarb soft, just like this is, like our lingonberry concentrate, and then we will have cherry,
Okay.
and then we'll have
know how you say
elderflower.
How do you say cherry in Swedish?
Ooh, is it cherries?
Doesn't even sound like it.
But it's like CHER.
Körsbär.
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 I like that. I like it better than cherry.
Someone's gonna write in and say, that's not how you say it. Well, that's how my mom told me to say it.
Körsbär.
Shush, like shush.
Shush.
Sheshberry, like sheshber.
Okay.
Huh? I could be wrong,
Yeah.
but I think I'm right.
So look out for the new syrups when they do come in. We'll have them online. We'll definitely have them at Al's, and then we'll probably do some other Door County Girl episodes utilizing those, just because they're really fun.
Yeah, they make great cocktail drinks.
Exactly. So elderflower, rhubarb, cherry. Those are like the three concentrates we're gonna have coming in.
Or you know what else I always like? This with some seltzer water and some ice, like a little sparkly, a bubbly drink. Yeah, awesome.
Okay, and then we're gonna move on to our cloudberry jam. So we love cloudberry jam at Al's, and it is hard to get. It's hard to find. I think we may be one of like 3 companies now that import it into the United States. So it was really awesome when we found this product and we brought it in from Sweden.
Do
And
you know
that's the
why
other
they're
thing
so
is this
hard to
is made in
get?
Sweden. This is made in Sweden.
How
They're
come?
really rare.
I know, but how come? Like, tell
Because
us about the
they like
cloudberry.
grow up in the Arctics, and they are just not everywhere because there's not a lot of plants.
Are they
and
just growing wild? And
They
people
just grow
have
wild,
this-
and people
out and
have
collect
plots
them
and pick
and-
them, and that's what
I
they
know
have.
that when we used to carry them, even a long time ago, I was like, holy cow, these are so expensive compared to the lingonberries and the raspberry jam and the strawberry jam, because we can't get that many of them.
And the other thing is they're being that they're so rare, they utilize some of the seed oil that's in these. They actually put them in a lot of women's skincare products. I know. There's a whole Norwegian company that just uses cloudberry like oil.
Is it called Freya?
No, it's not called Freya. I forgot what it has. Nor something in the thing, but it's really popular with that. So it's another utilization of this.
Nice.
I did some research on this. Like it's part of the blackberry family. So everything that you love about blackberries, sort of those big juicy berries, are sort of in here. The little mellow sweetness, it's not like really tart in your face, like the lingonberry is or a cranberry. It's really pretty, just like it sort of is
something you could use on savory things.
I think
like,
that's
I always feel
exactly it.
Like it's not like sweet like I'm putting it on my toast with butter. It's more like I'm gonna have a little bit of goat cheese with a little bit of this on it on a savory cracker. Yeah. That's what I think.
Yeah, and I mean mostly utilized. Like most of the recipes, they heat this up till it's warm, and they just put it on vanilla ice cream, and you just sort of stir it in and eat it with that. Because I think it really works well with dairy products. So like cheese, like ice cream.
It would be good in your oatmeal.
It would, oatmeal for sure. Just a lot of great stuff in it. It's got a lot of vitamin C in it too, so that's one of the other pluses.
Guess who loves cloudberries? Loves them more than anything.
Lars Johnson?
Lars, my brother Lars. He's always like, I gotta get some cloudberries.
He always kept a jar in the kitchen, and every morning, limpa bread.
Yep.
Cloudberry jam, and then a little bit of like usually Swedish farmer's cheese.
Like cheese. Yeah.
Okay, so you mentioned you just can't eat them with that, but we are going to put some on.
But I love English muffins.
English muffin. I think this is good, but this also will give you could sort of see the larger berry. So, I mean, these are just chunk full of berries and stuff like that. So, it messes with your mind because you think it's going to be like orange marmalade because it just sort of has that look to it.
I know, you're like ready to
have
your
you think
taste
it's going to be,
go,
and then it's,
and then you're like, oh.
It throws you a wild card.
Yeah.
So, you want to try?
Yeah. I got to step away from the tablecloth.
Do not spill on the tablecloth. As I left my cookie here.
Mm-hmm. It's the most unusual berry that I have ever tasted. Meaning, I don't mean it's bad. I mean, it's not like a sweet raspberry. It's not like a sweet, juicy strawberry.
Yeah.
It's like a nice, mellow fruit.
Yeah, no, definitely. So I've got it here on these new crackers we got in from Phaser. This is the dark rye, which
It's
I love.
almost apricot-y.
It's hard to. It's really hard because people always ask me like, "What is the flavor?" And I'm like, for me, it's almost like just like a light melony flavor, or like almost not as almost like
melony,
mango kind of.
Yeah. Guava-y.
Yeah, guava-y. That's probably the best sort of comp.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, so good.
But definitely, if you're up here, try it. You can order these online, and just something fun that you can do and play around with.
Har du en lite knäckebröd there?
My other really favorite utilization of this is like on a charcuterie board. You want to put something on there that no one's ever tried.
Here. What are these?
So these are the dark rye crisps from Phaser.
Okay, I haven't seen these yet.
Yeah,
Are you hiding them?
No, they're in the back.
What?
They're in the back. I think you have them on the shelf in the boutique.
What?
Yeah.
I'm always
These are new.
sampling
I know these
things.
are great. These are really
Every
good.
time Kit gets a shipment, and I'm like, "What's in that box right there that I haven't seen?"
Did you try the Swedish candy we got today?
And he and I both have to bust them open and try them. I love knäckebröd. I love anything crunchy like this. It's my favorite.
Yeah, absolutely.
I hope my teeth last forever because I like crunchy.
So if you're adventurous, you want to try something fun, definitely give our cloudberries a try. If you know about cloudberries and you love them, you know why you love them. So I like it.
Yes.
I think they taste amazing. And I think they're really fun to use.
And I know that like sometimes people don't like seedy things, like with a lot of seeds in them. Raspberries tend to have a lot of seeds in it.
Yep.
People ask all the time, is there seeds in your jam? Because some people can't have seeds. But I noticed that like blackberries, raspberries, and these have a little more seeds in them. But it's not like people don't eat sesame seeds or poppy seeds.
It's more like on the line of that. It's definitely very much like blackberry style. Like if you're used to having blackberries and you
there are not a ton of
have those
them.
tiny little seeds that are in them, and that's what you get from
I love
this.
it.
Yeah. Okay.
What a nice little snack.
We got a little snack. It's a quick little video here.
Kit must have known I was hungry. I didn't get my help lunch today. By the time I got in there, everybody wiped it out.
No chicken wings for you today?
Oh my God, there's nothing.
That's popular, yeah.
So we have all our employees that we have to feed every day, and you have to hurry up and get a chicken wing or a leg before those dishwashers get at it.
So sometimes I purposely miss if I'm not a big fan of it, because then I get a meatball dinner. So and I love our meatball dinners.
I like salad, so I don't mind.
Yeah.
But whatever. Well, anyway, thanks for joining us for another awesome episode of Door County Girl. This is the kind of episodes I like. Outside.
Yeah, we didn't point out that we have the Telemark Boutique behind us. If you're here in Door County, I'll do a quick commercial for this. Stop in, see our sales shop. Everything's 50% off in there. It is awesome. They have just amazing stuff that just didn't do as well in the stores,
or
but
you order like 50 pieces and then you have one left, one left. It sits there for like a month.
There is tons of hidden treasures. I've been telling all my friends that live up here, I'm like, don't sleep on this. Get in there. There's so much cool stuff in there.
Yeah, now's the time to stock up. I know that you guys all think this is crazy when I say it, and I used to think other people were. Christmas. Get your Christmas shopping done now, and then you can enjoy yourself all December and drink glug.
We had the last Christmas in July sale. It ends today online.
Awesome.
So yeah.
We have all our Christmas stuff in right now. It's been selling like crazy.
Yeah.
So. Yeah, get shopping.
For sure. Well, thank you for joining me and doing this.
Yeah, well, don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom of the page, and you'll get some more very informational
fun
topics.
Yeah. Or just
from
get
Door County
to
Girl.
listen to Annika and I banter about things that we love. So,
yeah, because we love food.
Yeah.
And drinking coffee.
Cheers.
School.
Oh, I don't want to break your mug.
Hey-do.
Hey-do.
Thanks for watching Door County Girl. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time.